Hi, good morning. Welcome to Lakshmi's study room. In this video, our topic is structure of mitochondria and learning concepts of cellular respiration, crystal matrix. So, what is cellular respiration? Generally, we have an idea about respiration. During respiration, we inhale oxygen and we exhale carbon dioxide. In the process of respiration, energy will be released. For example, if this process taken in the cellular level, that means using oxygen in cell process to produce carbon dioxide and water, releasing energy to be used for the life process, it will be called as a cellular respiration. We can simply say the respiration takes place within the cellular level, it will be called as a cellular respiration. Next, structure of mitochondria. This is the diagram of the structure of mitochondria. So mitochondria, in your 9th class you have already learnt. Mitochondria will be called as a powerhouse of the cell. Why it will be called as a powerhouse of the cell? So during respiration, energy will be released. The releasing energy will be stored in the mitochondria in the form of ATP. In the form of ATP. So that's why mitochondria will be called as a powerhouse of the cell. Mitochondria can be seen with a special microscope called electronic microscope, and mitochondria are sac-like structures present in the cytoplasm of the cell. For example, it is a cell and nucleus. So the entire part will be called as a cytoplasm. Within the cytoplasm, mitochondria are present. So the shape of the mitochondria are like bat-like structure is there, spear-like structures is there, thread-like structures are there. So mitochondria have a two compartments. So this is the outer dark line will be called as a outer compartment, and the light color, pale yellow color, light color will be called as a inner compartment. And it has a two membranes. The outer compartment will be covered by a outer membrane, and the inner compartment will be covered by a inner membrane. So there are two compartments, outer compartment and inner compartment. Outer compartment covered by outer membrane, inner compartment covered by a inner membrane. So inner membrane contains, see this inner membrane contains so many foldings. So these foldings will be called as a cristae. So within the inner compartment, there is substance will be filled with inner compartment. This substance will be called as a matrix. So within the matrix, there are so many small particles are there. See this, these are the black-like structures. These are called elementary particles. These elementary particles are responsible for that means they have a large number of enzymes and other required proteins. They are used for the respiration as well as energy production also. But the space between these folds, see this space between these folds, those are extended to the outer compartment. So this is all are about the regarding of the structure of mitochondria. So we have some practice questions. So generally about mitochondria, this type of question only gave. Describe the structure of mitochondria with the help of a diagram. Describe the structure of mitochondria. That means you have to write the structure of mitochondria as well as you have to draw the diagram and label the parts also. What is cristae? The inner membrane will have so many foldings. These foldings will be called as a cristae, and the inner compartment will be filled with some substance. The substance will be called as a matrix. What is cellular respiration? Using oxygen is cell process to produce carbon dioxide, water, and energy will be released to be used for the life process is called as a cellular respiration. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon.